about the wireless LANs. This is the wireless local area networks, as you know. And why people choose the wireless LANs? Because it's flexible, so you can use it at the street, at home, or at university, and everything. And wireless LANs reduce the costs, because you can you can take only one wireless router and then put them at home and use only one device. And next, wireless LANs allocated at these frequencies 2.4, 5 gigahertz and others. This is the microwave frequencies, and they use the high frequency, ultra high, super high, and others. So if we compare WLAN and LAN, so wireless LANs use the radio frequency, and Ethernet LANs use the cables, as you know. Then in the wireless LANs, this is the avoidance of collision, and in the LANs we detect the collisions detection. So then also every device which in current frequency can use the wireless device, wireless LANs, and connect to the internet. On the LANs we need to port for the cable. Then I want to show some questions for guys. Who want to answer the questions? These questions is easy, and okay, you can choose one.
Kamila, рахмон.
So,
okay, Google.
Who wants to start? Who wants to start? Khairat?
Cables are used to interconnect devices.
Yes.
LAN?
Yes.
Окей, конфиг. А можно еще раз? LAN. Четыре штук, сразу, по чеке. Ого, нормально.
Radio frequency is used to interconnect devices.
Okay, yes, that's right.
Collision detection.
Их же забавно.
Can you stand up?
Collision detection line.
Detection? Yes. Who wants to take the paper? Elvira? Security? Yes, it's one. No. That's the one. Yes.
Екі штук. Көп береді.
Данияр?
Local area may apply in WLAN.
Okay, it's right. Good. Okay, Rahman.
Остальные два. One or?
Which question? And you answer?
One.
One? No, it's not. It's wrong. Sorry. So next. We have two main wireless topology modes. This is the ad hoc mode and infrastructure. In ad hoc, devices interconnect without the access point or other wireless devices like a router. And in infrastructure mode, devices interconnect with these devices like access point and wireless router. And Baurzhan will show example with infrastructure mode. Not yet. So
There are wireless have these frames, and in header contains frame control, duration, addresses, sequence control, and others. In frame control identifies wireless frame that version, protocol version, power management, security settings, and others. And in this addresses contains MAC addresses of these devices. And we have two devices, sender and receiver. In first, sender sends Discover app, and the receiver and the sender authenticate with the receiver and the sender, and then associate.
Next. And sender, when it's connected to the router, wireless router, it sends the request to send. So after this request, our wireless router sends the clear to send. Yes. Then our PC or laptop can send data, and our router can send the acknowledgement. So this is a diagram where we can say that first it starts and it prepares the frame, and if the channel is idle, so if answer is yes, our laptop or PC can transmit request to send. It's now wait for the random time, then try it again. So if the transmit RTS, so it is a request to send, is yes, so our router can send them clear to send. If they are successful, and then our PC or laptop can send our data. It's not successful, it's trying it again.
What kind of data?
For example, I don't know, every data when you want to connect to the internet and send email, for example, and videos,
WhatsApp.
everything.
It's type of connection to internet. But,
When you
radio
connect
frequency.
with the wireless router.
Okay. Switch.
So we have when we connect to our wireless router, we have two types: passive and active. In passive, our router is sending broadcast every time, periodically. Then, for example, when you connect to the Wi-Fi and you see a lot of Wi-Fi routers, for example, signals there, their names, and SSID. This is the name of the wireless router, and this is a passive. In active, you need to write the name of SSID of the access point of our wireless router. For example, when you choose the, in Russian, скрытая сеть,
Hidden.
yes, hidden, and you write the name of your wireless router. So, and now Baurzhan want to show the
How to use access points and wireless routers. And
And here we put here our router, and then okay. Firstly, I will show you the how access point will work, and here we can put access point. Then we will put here 2 laptops. Then here will be our server. That the laptops will ping to the server. And here in server we have to configure its IP address, or we can just DHCP that will automatically take IP address and from access point here. Then the laptops here. Then we must configure PC wireless. But firstly, we must check here must be our Wi-Fi adapter. Firstly, we must turn off our laptop, then delete this LAN and put here LAN as Ethernet wireless adapter. Then we must turn on, and here you can see that laptop configuring with access point. Then we must here also do this again, delete LAN and put here wireless. Then turn it on. Here then we must configure their IP address, or we can take DHCP automatically here. Then we can check this our connections. Here successful, and from laptop to server is also successful. And the next example will be with router. Here we put our router and the switch. Then 3 or PCs. Then we must here connect our then I will put here the wireless router, and then here I put the laptop. And firstly the router we must and in global configuration mode we must enter to the interface gigabit 00, and here we must turn it on. Then IP address, let's take oops. And we must configure our PCs also. For example, default gateway will be our router's interface, IP address. And the third PC. And we are configuring our router. Let's check it successfully, and the PC to PC is also successful. Then we must configure our router to the wireless router, and we must its straight copper throw, and the Ethernet one. And let's configure interface and no shutdown. Then IP address one. And we must configure wireless router. Wireless router, we must in GUI, and here we must internet connection type. Internet connection type will be static or DHCP. Here we can statically write our internet default gateway. Default gateway will be this interface. And LAN will be so we must configure our laptop. And the address is automatically, and we can let's check it from laptop to PC1.
Maybe they are in two different networks.
The ping was not successful firstly because they didn't know each other, and now it's successful. And
Vice versa.
from laptop.
What if we will add another network, another like a router to that wireless router?
Here,
Yeah.
it will work.
No, default gateway. We configure default gateway as a like a IP address of gigabit 01.
Yeah.
What if we will have another router?
Which one?
Yeah. Here we can in LAN we configured here IP address of router, wireless router.
Beacon router for so long.
In как лаптоп default gateway қолданып
HTTP.
осыны қолданып как default gateway.
Получается, все роутеры, которые будут подключены к wireless routerу, бәрінде бірдей не болу керек, default gateway.
Не, смотри, именно
бір новый роутер просто.
именно wireless роутер бар ғой, соның IP адресі ананың gateway болады, default gateway болады, түсіндің бе? И сосын қосыла береді. Мынаның IP адресі default key болып қалады.
Очень мало.
Мынаның IP адресі бар ма?
Yeah.
Қайда без разницы вообще қанша болса да главное компьютерге default gateway wireless.
The default gateway will be the wireless IP address of wireless router. And today's tasks is in NetACAD, and it's 4.4.2.2. You must do it. It's easy.
Very-
You will submit the task for
Yes, and first students can also take the.
By the way, we skip the questions. If you have questions, then you can ask the questions for
Біз басында бірінші интерфейс конфигурировать еттіңіз, роутер конфигурировать еттің, wireless емес.
Yeah?
Heißt, если